BYLC was founded with the vision of creating a more inclusive, tolerant, and just society by training the next generation of leaders. BYLC instills in them values of public service and promotes active community participation to address the developmental challenges of Bangladesh. Building on the success of last year's month-long BBLT program in Chittagong, BYLC reached out to more than 90 schools and madrasas this year and received more than 250 applications. At least 2 people from BYLC's admission committee reviewed each application, and after thorough screening, 60 students were shortlisted for the assessment day at IBA, University of Dhaka. The assessment day included group exercises and personal interviews where the candidates went through a rigorous evaluation process. Finally, 30 students were selected for the BBLT 2009 program, 10 from English medium, 10 from Bangla medium, and 10 from madrasa. Each student received full scholarship support from the U.S. Embassy in Dhaka for attending BYLC's program. There are 3 components of BYLC's program: building bridges, leadership training, community service, and active citizenship. The opening ceremony of this year's BBLT program took place on June 19, 2009. The event was chaired by BYLC President Ijaz Ahmed, where the chief guest was Professor AAMS Arifin Siddiqui, Vice Chancellor, University of Dhaka. The guest of honor for the program was Mr. Ehsanul Fattah, Secretary of the Ministry of Youth and Sports, while Mrs. Rokeya Akhtar Begum, Principal of Vikarnisa Noon School and College, was present as a special guest. BBLT 2009 started its journey on June 20th. Week 1 started at the Biam Foundation premises, which became the melting pot of diverse talents and perspectives. The participants engaged in exciting group activities, learning how to observe their surroundings and interact with each other.
BYLC এই প্রোগ্রামে প্রথম সপ্তাহে আমরা শিখতে পারি যে লিডারশিপ মানে কোনো পাওয়ারফুল পজিশনে রাইজ করা না। লিডারশিপ হচ্ছে সমাজে কোনো ভালো একটা পরিবর্তন নিয়ে আসা। লিডারশিপ হচ্ছে একটা অ্যাক্টিভিটি যেটা দিয়ে 10 জনকে সাথে নিয়ে আমরা মানব উন্নয়ন করতে পারি।
Week 2. Rather than having conventional frontal lectures, the participants learned about leadership in Week 2 through interaction, diagnosis, and experience, as their lessons consisted of events occurring right before their eyes. The large group was divided into 5 small groups. Every group had 2 students from each of the 3 educational mediums of Bangladesh. Here, they had the unique opportunity to learn about leadership from personal experiences of their very own team members. These real-life stories helped them relate to the concepts of leadership more deeply and better understand why people fail, what the dangers of leadership are, and what responses they could develop to exercise leadership effectively. At the end of the second week, the group went on a recreational trip to BRAC Center for Development Management, BCDM, in Rajendrapur, Savar. It was a wonderful opportunity for the participants, coming from diverse backgrounds, to really bond with one another and understand each other's varying individual perspectives by taking part in numerous recreational activities. Week 3. The third week of BBLT 2009 began with a public speaking session. Each participant gave 2 short speeches, one persuasive and other informative, before a packed classroom. The audience was immersed in the intriguing speeches given by each participant, ranging from pressing social issues to compelling personal narratives. After the public speaking session, the students were ready for community service. They started their week-long community service in Mirpur Top Block slum with a survey of the area. The participants went from door to door to find out how the destitute families in that area led their lives. After discovering the major problems faced by the people of that area, the 5 small groups outlined their community service projects. These projects were implemented in Mirpur, and awareness campaigns of the same issues were carried out in the final part of the community service program, the day-long community service in Narandi village in Monohardi. Week 4. Each small group developed unique projects to help the impoverished families in the locality. Bohumatrik, Karchupi training and social awareness. Bohumatrik provided Karchupi training, a form of embellishing clothing items, along with the provision of necessary equipment to 14 women from some of the destitute families in Mirpur Top Block slum. In Monohardi, they carried out awareness campaigns on gender bias, marriage of underage girls, acid violence, and payment of dowry. They also planted 50 trees in Narandi village in Monohardi. Ochinpur, sanitation and hygiene. Ochinpur set up 4 toilets and a proper shower with proper bathing privacy for women, catering to the needs of up to 35 families living in the Taw block slum. They also carried out a campaign in Monohardi, informing children about sanitation and hygiene through an original puppet show before 285 students. Nokshikatha, first aid and safety. Nokshikatha arranged first aid awareness campaign in a high school in Monohardi, worked with 100 girls from class 9 and 10, explaining to them about basic first aid and personal hygiene, waste disposal and management, as well as food safety. Each of the 100 girls were given first aid kits as presents. Furthermore, 5 dustbins and 12 brooms were donated for the classrooms.
আমরা আজকে এখানে প্রাথমিক স্বাস্থ্যসেবা আর ব্যক্তিগত সচেতনতা নিয়ে এসেছি। আর আমরা যে স্লোগানটা নিয়ে আজকে এসেছি সেটা হচ্ছে সুস্থ পরিবেশে সুস্থ আমি। এই স্কুলে 100 জন ছাত্রীকে ফার্স্ট এইড কিট দিচ্ছি আর সাথে আমরা 5টা বিন আর 12টা ঝাড়ু দিচ্ছি।
ফার্স্ট এইড কিটটা দেওয়ার আমাদের উদ্দেশ্য ছিল যে সাধারণ ছোটোখাটো দুর্ঘটনা এবং কিছু অসুখ হলে যাতে এই যে ছাত্রীগুলি যাদের সাথে আমরা কথা বললাম ওরা নিজেদেরকেই নিজেরা সাহায্য করতে পারবে এবং ওদের পরিবারকে সাহায্য করতে পারবে।
আসলে সেই ফার্স্ট এইড কিটটা শুধুমাত্র একটা সুভেনির, এই জিনিসটা তারা অল্প কিছু টাকার বিনিময়ে নিজেরাই ক্রয় করতে পারে, কিন্তু আমরা যে জিনিসটা চেয়েছি সেটা হচ্ছে সচেতনতা। আমরা প্রত্যেককে সচেতন করতে চেয়েছি যার ফলে যে কোনো দুর্ঘটনার পরে কিংবা যে কোনো সমস্যায় তারা যেন এই ফার্স্ট এইড কিটটি ব্যবহার করতে পারে।
Lighthouse, health awareness. Lighthouse carried out a health awareness program on hepatitis B in Monohardi among students of class 5 to 10 of a local school which had around 300 students. Leaflets were also distributed both among the students and also the teachers so that they could later teach other students about this disease. They also arranged for 10 doctors to provide medical services to around 500 people. For this, they raised medicines worth Taka 60,000 from Biopharma Limited, Renata, and Globe Pharmaceuticals. This health camp is scheduled to be held on August 12, 2009, which is the International Youth Day. Dhrubotara, domestic water filtration.
Amra Dhrubotara.
Dhrubotara implemented domestic water filtration system developed after surveying 22 families in Mirpur Taw block. The team also conducted sessions in a school in Monohardi, informing them about waterborne diseases, importance of clean water, and 5 different sources of clean and safe drinking water.
আমরা চেষ্টা করেছি এমন একটা ফিল্টার বানানোর যার মাধ্যমে কোনো খুব কম খরচে একটা ফিল্টার বানানো যাবে যাতে বেশি পয়সারও খরচ হয় না আর একবার বানালে সারা জীবন সেটা থাকবে।
The final session of BBLT 2009 was held on July 22nd. It was a review lecture on all the concepts of leadership taught throughout the program. It was also a nostalgic day for the participants as they reflected on the months that they had spent together.
আমি এখানে আসার আগে যে মন মানসিকতা আমার ছিল এখানে আসার পর এখানে ট্রেনিং নেওয়ার পর আমার সেটা একেবারেই বদলে গেছে।
BYLCর যে এক্সপেরিয়েন্সটা আমার হয়েছে it's not possible to get anyone else. The reason I love BYLC can never be the reason of loving anything else. So এটা ডিফারেন্ট, এখানে মানুষ হয়তো পরবর্তীতে আসবে আরও অনেক বড় হিসাবে। আমাদের এটাই আশা যে আমরা 30 জন যে বের হয়েছি আমাদের এই এক্সপিরিয়েন্সটা সামান্য হলেও যাতে অন্য কোনো মানুষের মধ্যে আরও অনেক মানুষের মধ্যে আমরা ছড়িয়ে দিতে পারি।
The graduation ceremony of BBLT was held on July 23rd, 2009 at Bragg Center in Auditorium, Dhaka. James F. Moriarty, U.S. Ambassador to Bangladesh, attended the program as a chief guest and distributed certificates among the participants. Dr. Gohar Rizvi, Honorable Advisor to the Prime Minister, attended the program as a guest of honor, and Dr. Atiur Rahman, Governor of the Central Bank of Bangladesh, attended the event as a special guest. The program was moderated by Zafar Subhan, Chairperson of BYLC. In the closing speech at the event, founder of BYLC Ejaz Ahmed said that BYLC hopes to continue organizing such youth leadership programs in the future.